these are our best-selling Seeker Raptor. They're called the Wideboy, simply because they have the big wide sort of bonnet bulge and the big F150 grill, the 285 wheels. This one's based on a T7, sold 18,995 plus VAT, based on 37,000 miles, XLT with cloth. Now you can upgrade to leather for about 995 plus VAT, but this is going to be roughly what I talked to you about now. So what we've done to this one, we've tinted the lights, we've added the 285 deep dish modular wheels on brand new all-terrain tyres, we've done a full D-chrome and a black pack, privacy glass to the front and rear. This one's had a black wrap roof, which is an optional extra of 250 plus VAT. So chin bar standard, that's a new addition to the Seeker Raptor range, with a bonnet bulge in a body colour, black, blue, whatever colour you want. Wide arch kit, lift kit, Seeker Raptor graphics, window deflectors, I couldn't say it then. Roll bar in black. Tinted front and rear lights with headlight protectors if you wish, free of charge. Some people don't want them, some people do, that's down to you. We can do whatever you want. So there you go, blackout pack completed, bed liner and in a tray, all comes standard with everything on Seeker Raptor. Now we can offer 4.99 AER finance offers, 15 grand's roughly $299 a month over 5 years. We can offer you nationwide delivery. We'll price match any Ranger Raptor that's of this spec, like for like, obviously. We'll take a part exchange. We've sold over 700 now. We're probably the largest styling pickup dealer in the UK. We're also a SsangYong dealer, so we've got a lot to offer, a lot of credibility, good Google reviews. So this is a Seeker Raptor Wideboy, 18,995 plus VAT. You can upgrade it to a brand new Wildtrack 3.2 Auto for 29,950 plus VAT if you wanted to do that. So give us a call and talk about bespoke builds, because we can do any colour you want, any style, any wrap, anything. We'll do anything. We'll love to do new things. Welcome to Seeker Raptor.